Probably been out here for about an hour. Never fished this area. Just really today, just out here trying to find some spots. So we'll see if we can't get any more. I've been getting hit, but I just can't seem to set the hook today. I lost one decent redfish, then I had a blow up on a fluke, but that's all right. I mean, we're catching them. I've never fished this area, so I don't really expect to catch big fish, but if they're biting, we'll take it. God, it's a big snook. That's a big snook. Oh my God! Yes! God! Look at that! That's my new PB right there. Holy crap! I am shaking. It may not be big to some of you guys, but this thing, not knowing the area and just moved down here. This is, look at the head on that thing. I'm gonna get a quick picture with this. I'm gonna let him go. I don't know how this thing didn't break me off. He got wrapped up in a trolling motor, went underneath the boat, but like I said, as soon as it hit the water, I thought I snagged it, because it instantly just hammered it. Yeah, that's definitely my PB. Was not expecting to catch anything that big. Give me one more good kickoff, I'll let you go. Holy crap, I'm still shaking. Holy crap. Yeah, I'm just throwing a little Z-Man, a little swim bait. I think it's in the motor oil color. But yeah, it's freighted up. I don't know how it didn't break off. All right, I'm gonna retie. New leader, and see if we can't get another one. Let's go. I have no idea what I'm doing, but I guess it seems to be working out pretty good. It's the second time as soon as it hits the water, it gets smoked. Just another good snook. On the same swim bait, Z-Man, little swim bait, motor oil, seems to be doing the work with the snook. Yeah, I definitely thought I was going to lose this one. There he goes. Just right off the edge of that oyster bar right there. But I set the spot lock down and it went crazy because the current. I don't know how many times I was getting ready to smack it. But yeah, I definitely thought that one was going to get off. I guess I'll retie and probably throw a little bit more. I mean, today's been pretty good. I'm happy with today. But yeah, this Z-Man motor oil color, it's been doing work. It's got a little Texas rig. Bent my hook a little bit, but yeah, this thing's been catching the big snook lately. So I'm gonna get it retied on and see if we can't catch another one.